Good day guys, welcome to Apparel Engineering TV. If you're having problem like this, skipping stitches like this, yes, I'm gonna show you how to solve this. Open your industrial sewing machine's needle plate and then check if your needle and the hook timing is correct like this. When it's not correct, I have a video to show you and how to do that and to solve it. So now check like how I'm doing, turn a handle to your side and check if what you are seeing is the same. Check if the rotary hook tips like this is passing above the eye like 2 mm. Check if it's passing above like this. Check if it's not hitting. Check. Then I have a video for you on how to solve it.
Alright, let me show you this. So if you are getting escape stitches, skipping stitches, this is what you should check for. When you open the plate and then you check the needle and hook timing. I'm just using this as an example. This is for butterfly, not industrial rotary hook, but the same with the hook tip. So I'm going to show you something. So this is how to check if you're trying to solve a skipping stitches problem. So you can see that sometimes the needle drops like this, coming up, then the rotary hook supposed to pass above the eye like this. So you see it will pass above the eye like this, something like 1.5 or 2 mm. So you see like this, and then goes. So it's supposed not to be on the eye but above the eye like this. What you can see. So like this, and goes. Then the needle also goes up. Rotary hook goes and comes again. Needle drops, going up. Then it will pass like this, above like this. So you see, above like this, goes again. So now when the escape stitches, then you see the rotary hook will be at this point, which means there is incorrect needle and hook time. So you see, when the needle drops like this, comes up, then the rotary hook will pass above the eye too much. So which means the needle bar has dropped down so quickly, or the needle bar's height downwards is too much. So you need to set it. Okay, you can easily set it using the rotary hook screws there. So that if passing here, that one you won't be able to sew some fabrics like stretchy ones, and some of them there will be skipping stitches like small like the other video I'll be showing there. It will sew small and jump, sew small and jump. So that one you see that when you open the plate, you see that the rotary hook is passing above the eye too much, like 5 mm. So to solve it, make sure you set it to bring it down and pass here above the eye like this. You see, when it's here there will be skip stitches, but when it's here it will sew any type of material, like stretchy or any material that can't be sewn. So not here. When it's here you have to change it. Okay, there will skip stitches, but when it's here, when it's passing here, it's best. So it passes here, goes again, needle will go up, come down, the rotary hook will come again, and then it will pass here like this. Good, goes again, comes up. There won't be any skip stitches. Okay, so not to be passing here, this is too high. Okay, there will be skip stitches. Make sure it is here like this, and this is best. You get to sew any kind of material. Okay, it goes, comes down, coming up, the rotary hook will pass here like this, as I've done. Do it same, and this you won't have any skip stitches again. So not here at the top like this, passing here, but should come down and pass here like this. So good as this one. Okay, like this, and then goes, and the needle goes up.
So you see now, it's not hitting, it's passing right above the needle's eye. You see, only paper can pass through. It's not hitting the hook tip, it's not hitting the needle. You see, neat as this, correct. So there won't be any skipping stitches again. You will get a very good neat work. You see. All right, so let me show you aftermath what you see. Now I can sew stretching material like this, very neat and good neat work, no skipping stitches, everything is fine. You see, I have sewed this fabric. You see, it's very neat, no skipping stitches. You see, yes, good, good, good. So we are done. You see, before, you see, you could see our, you see, skipping stitches. You see, okay, so we are done. You see, thank you and thanks for watching. More videos coming. Thank you.